أعطوني بشعول.
So many lives were lost, and you had made such good inroads in the last few years. Accepted by the United States, people in the world had changed opinions of you. The image was different than it had ever been. And then suddenly, this man who was responsible for so many deaths is accepted warmly, and now opinions change. You knew that had to happen. Why did you let it happen?
What is it that happened?
A convicted killer returned home
شخص
to the
مدان
greetings of a hero,
قاتل واستقبل
greeted like a hero.
واستقبل استقبال الأبطال رغم أنه هو
كيف الاستقبال اللي تحكي عليه انت؟
How do you see the hero's welcome? I mean, how is it?
I saw it everywhere. I told everyone saw it. He was greeted at the airport with cheers.
يعني هو انت يعني تردد في دعايه والا انت عندك شيء عملي على الاستقبال؟
Do you have something practical about the way he was received, about the receptions, or are you saying something, repeating a propaganda or repeating...
No, I'm not repeating anything. I'm asking you, were you saluting a criminal?
تحية كيف تحية؟
Saluting in what way? Saluting a criminal in
The
what
way
way?
he was greeted, no, you know what I mean. The way he was greeted so warmly, massive reception at the airport.
كان في استقبال يعني ناس كثير في المطار.
أصل الناس اللي استقبلوه يعني احنا ما نمنعش قبيلته وعائلته.
As I said, you may ask the people who received him, but we cannot prevent his own people, his own friends, his own family, his own tribe to receive him.
Did you support the way he was treated?
أنا ما بديش نتحدث عن شيء من هذا النوع يعني قبيلته وعائلته واصدقائه ما نقدرش نتحدث فيها يعني ما ليش الحق ان
I can't say anything. I mean, I don't even have the right to talk about his own tribe, his own people, his own friends receiving him, or I can't talk about it.
All right, one other thing. What do you say to the people, the relatives of the victims on that plane? What would you say to them as the leader of your country?
ماذا تقول لأسر الضحايا وأقاربهم؟
نقول لهم عندوا أسروا أهله اللي استقبلوه وأصدقائه وقبيلته عندوا تفاهم أنتم وياهم قولوا ليش استقبلتوه.
I would say to them, they may go and ask his own people, his own friends or families or tribes to ask them why he was received by them.
I'm asking you, what do you say to